أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وسخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض جميعا منه إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون. And he has subjected to you whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth. Indeed, that are signs for people who think deeply. This is my brief introduction, and this is the introduction of my two companies, Medina Glass Processing and Faisal Engineering Services. Today the topic of my discussion is role of cement on sustainable development. Cement was first invented in 1824 by Mr. Joseph Aspdin. Over the years, cement industry has played a vital role in the development and fulfilling the human needs. This was the first patent certificate which was issued to Joseph Aspdin in 1824. Later on, his son William Aspdin, he developed and constructed this kiln, which is world's oldest cement kiln. This kiln was operated during the period of 1847 to 1850. Cement brought evolution in human shelter from tents to concrete homes. This is the data of yearly cement sales and its growth since 2006 till 2021. This is comparison of Saudi and Pakistani cement sales since 2007 till 2021. The data indicates that 2050 was the highest consumption of cement in Saudi Arabia, while in Pakistan highest consumption was 2020-21. World cement statistics for the year 2015 indicates that China had the highest consumption of cement in 2015, which was 51.3% of the global consumption. On the other hand, Saudi Arabia and Pakistan had the contribution of 1.3% each. This is world cement statistics for 2015 on per capita consumption basis. This also indicates that Saudi Arabia was the highest consumption on per capita basis, which was 1683 kilogram, while Pakistan had only 129 kilogram. And after the passage of time, it has achieved the figure of 219 kilogram per capita in 2020-21. Now we come to sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Economic development that is conducted without depletion of natural resources. On the other hand, sustainable development is that meets the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. There are three pillars of sustainable development: social equality, economic viability, and bearable environment. Now we come to impact of cement on environment. Production of 1 ton of cement causes 0.8 to 0.9 ton of carbon dioxide emission. Production of 69 million ton per annum, cement will cause 55 to 62 million ton of carbon dioxide emission. We can imagine now how much global warming is being caused by emissions from all industries, transport, brick kilns, and agriculture waste burning. How to reduce this carbon dioxide emission? Production of blended cement like pozzolana cement, slag, fly ash, and plastering cement. Reduction of cement consumption by use of aerated and autoclaved concrete panels and blocks, and use of tempered glass in our construction. Researchers should come forward. Industries and universities work together to achieve these goals. What is pozzolana cement? PPC is intergrinding of natural pozzolana of volcanic origin with clinker and gypsum in grinding mills. What are the applications of pozzolana cement, all constructions for plain and reinforced concrete work, all marine concrete structures, docks, harbors, and jetties, big piers, mass constructions like dams. What are the characteristics of pozzolana cement? Low heat of hydration, thereby reducing cracking and extensibility in mass construction, freedom from segregation and less bleeding, water tightness is increased, workability is improved, alkali silica reaction is inhibited. Now we come to AAC, aerated and autoclaved concrete panels and blocks, and what are its applications. These are the characteristics of aerated and autoclave concrete: low in density, fire resistant up to 700 degrees centigrade, thermal insulation is improved, and durability is also improved. This is the construction method of AAC panels and blocks buildings. Now we come to renewable energy. In order to achieve sustainable development, we should adopt and develop renewable energy resources like hydel, wind, and solar. If we add 10,000 megawatt per annum solar energy in our grid system, it will reduce 9 to 12 million ton of carbon dioxide emission. Payback period is 3 to 4 years, and life of solar panel is 20 to 25 years. Solid waste management is a big challenge in sustainable development. We should start from our home to make our home and its surrounding environment neat and clean by proper solid waste management to dispatch all the waste to its proper place. We should think every day, every hour, and every moment how much we have contributed to install solar system on the roofs of our homes, schools, colleges, universities, offices, commercial buildings, and industries to have effective utilization of God-gifted and blessed source of solar energy. How much we have contributed to make our homes, cities, and country neat and green by adopting proper solid waste management, to recycle kitchen waste to make biofertilizer, recycle paper, plastic, cardboard, metals, agriculture waste to manufacture useful products, burn urban agriculture, industrial waste, and use tires in cement industry as alternate fuel to save our fuel cost worth $1 billion, use plastic waste in construction and repair of roads, burn medical waste in incinerators for our own safety, grow trees, forests, and plants in our lawns, roadsides, empty plots, barren land, and install vertical solar panels in high-rise buildings, use hybrid and electric cars, bikes, and commercial vehicles to reduce carbon emission and save huge amount of fuel cost. This is the data of use of various alternate fuels in world cement industry. From this data, it is obvious that waste alternate fuel and biomass fuel is being replaced gradually to reduce the fossil fuel consumption. Take home message for all of us: save this planet from global warming, make it clean, neat, green, and safe for ourselves, our families, our nation, our future generation, and all humanity. I have made it my mission because think deeply, remember the message from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Holy Quran, chapter number 45, verse number 13. And I close my today's discussion with the message from our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam: at-tahuru shatrul iman, safai nisf iman hai, cleanliness is half of the faith. Thanks for your attention, please.